Okay, let's go find some jaguars.
The Jaguar Identification Project is a nonprofit that monitors the jaguar population in the Northern Pantanal region of Brazil, which is home to the highest density of jaguars and the best place on earth to observe wild jaguar behavior. So how do we identify jaguars without capturing or collaring them? The entire spot pattern on a jaguar is like a fingerprint. How we identify jaguars is we pay attention to the marks on their forehead. Sometimes we don't have the best photos, so we can also use their left and right side patterns. The project also creates this yearly field guide of jaguars. Jaguar field guide can be used by the tourists and the boat drivers for them to also participate in the research. When they're out in the river observing the jaguars, they can identify which individual they're watching or observing and send that information to the project. So in this way, we use a lot of citizen science to help us get large amounts of data that can talk better about how the population is changing. Each day there can be up to 10, 12 different jaguars being observed, and we can't be at each sighting, but the tourists can help and the guides and the boat drivers can also do their part. The project aims to collect information on jaguar behavior, lineage, interactions with tourism, and interactions between other species such as giant river otters, another apex predator that's seen here in the region. So with this information over a long period of time, we can understand better how the population changes. We can look at the survival rate of individuals. We also can look at survival rate of cubs. We can look at how the population grows and what changes when things like drought and fire occur in this region. So this information can be very useful when trying to decide the survival action plans for the species. And in general, it can be used to help preserve and conserve jaguars throughout their distribution.
We're excited to share key partnerships shaping the Jaguar ID Project conservation efforts. Teaming up with Panthera Brazil, we actively contribute to the transformation of the Joffre Valley Ranch into a research center. The Jaguar ID Project has been based there since 2020. Responsible collection of jaguar movement data not only fosters citizen science and ecotourism, but also strengthens our collaboration. Panthera's invaluable scientific support sets the stage for exciting future endeavors. Since 2019, our collaboration with the Giant Otter Project aids otter population monitoring in the Porto Joffre region. In return, they help fund our Jaguar Field Guide, strengthening our mutual commitment to wildlife conservation.